Hello and welcome back to 2-minute tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to delete your Grammarly account. If you don't want to use your Grammarly account anymore and you'd like to get rid of it, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser and log into Grammarly.com, or simply open up your Grammarly app and make sure that you're logged into your Grammarly account you'd want to delete. Make sure that you're inside the app.grammarly.com webpage and then click on the account button on the left hand side. This will open up the account settings page. At the bottom of the page, you'll be able to see the delete account button, so click on it. Verify yourself first by typing in your email and password associated with your Grammarly account on the next page and click next. You'll need to go through a two-step verification process. Type in the verification code sent to your email address that is displayed right here. Once you open up your email inbox, you'll receive an email from Grammarly Security. Click on it to open it up. Copy the security code that you received and paste it into the two-step verification text box. Click next when done. Now, it'll ask you whether you are sure you'd like to get rid of your free Grammarly account. It also mentions that you'll lose your saved documents and dictionary preferences and it won't be able to recover them for you. Go ahead and enter your password associated with Grammarly into the provide password text box and click on delete account. Soon after that, you'll be able to see that your account has been deleted. That is how it can be easily done. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.